Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to get started with MEXC Exchange. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading or looking for a reliable platform to trade your assets, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps: registration using a special promo code, account verification, depositing and withdrawing funds, and finally, how to engage in spot trading. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get you registered on MEXC Exchange. Open your browser and go to the MEXC official website. Click on the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number to create an account. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. After entering your email or phone number, you'll be asked to set a password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Now, here's where the magic happens. Entering your special promo code. You'll see a field labeled Referral Code. Click on it and then enter MEXC600 bonus to enjoy an exclusive $1,000 welcome bonus. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Sign Up, then provide the verification code from your email. And now it's done, your account is created. Now let's talk about account verification. KYC, Know Your Customer verification, is not necessary on MEXC, but we highly recommend completing it to ensure the security of your account. To do so, navigate to the account verification section under your profile settings. You will be required to provide personal information and upload identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. The verification process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours. Once verified, you'll have access to higher withdrawal limits and other benefits. Additionally, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Go to Security and set up MEXC or Google Authenticator. If you choose Google Authenticator, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Simply scan the QR code that will appear on MEXC and then enter the 6-digit code from the app to enable it. The process is pretty straightforward. With your account set up and verified, you're ready to deposit funds. Go to the Buy Crypto section and select the most convenient option for you, for example, Express or P2P to buy crypto with your debit or credit card. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy and in which fiat currency you want to pay. The process of selling cryptocurrency and getting fiat currency is the same. Another option is to deposit crypto from your wallet on another exchange. Go to Deposit, choose the cryptocurrency, and MEXC will generate a unique wallet address for you to transfer your funds to. Make sure to double-check the address before confirming the transaction on your end. Also, ensure both your selected crypto and deposit network match the info on the exchange platform you are withdrawing funds from. Otherwise, your assets won't be credited and can't be retrieved. The withdrawing process is the same, but you obtain the unique wallet address from the other exchange to which you want to transfer your crypto. Keep in mind that withdrawal times can vary depending on network congestion and the asset you're withdrawing. Now for the exciting part, spot trading. Head over to the Spot section in the upper menu. You'll be taken to the trading interface where you can see a list of trading pairs, price charts, order books, and trading history. To make a trade, select a trading pair, let's say BTC USDT. Decide if you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount of BTC you want to buy or sell and choose the type of order: a market order for an immediate transaction at the current market price, or a limit order to specify the price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Once everything looks good, click Buy BTC or Sell BTC to execute your trade. And there you have it. Oh, and about how to get your bonuses. Open your wallet and you will see the banner with the bonus at the top. Click on it. Here you will see the tasks that you need to complete to get your bonuses, like verify your account or make your first trade. Doing these tasks will add the bonuses to your account, and you can use them as the platform allows. You're now ready to embark on your trading journey with MEXC Exchange. Don't forget to use our referral code while registering to ensure you get your awesome welcome bonus. Remember, cryptocurrency trading involves risk, so always do your research and trade wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Good luck and see you next time!